Hi everyone, welcome to Irene's Movable Feast. I will show you how to make a beautiful strawberry tart. In a tart mold, put your dough on the tart mold and put a parchment paper and then some dried beans on top. Now make sure the beans are flat on top of your dough. And then put this tart into the oven, set the degree to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the paper and beans and continue to bake the crust for another 5 minutes. Now you can move the crust to a cooling rack and cool when you are making the fillings. Now let's start to make the fillings. In order to make the strawberry tart, you need 4 identical sizes of the fresh strawberries. I've already cut 3 of the strawberries into half, and I leave the biggest one in the center. For the biggest one, you want to cut it in a cross from the bottom, and the length is about 3/4 of the length of the strawberries. Now I will give you a close look. So after I cut across, I should be able to add the the cherry into the center, and then you can adjust it a little bit. Once your strawberry is ready, you can set it aside when we are making the ricotta cheese base. So to make this ricotta cheese base, I make it a very simple way. I use a whole milk ricotta cheese. You add 2 tablespoons of the ricotta cheese to a bowl. And then some vanilla extract. Here I add about 2 drops. You want to give it some vanilla fragrance. Now you can add some honey on top of the mixture. Here I add about 2 teaspoons of the honey, but you can always add more or less, depends on how sweet do you want your fillings be. Use your spoon to mix all the ingredients in a bowl until it's well incorporated. Now add the fillings in the bottom of the tartlet. Use the back of the spoon to smoothen up the top. Put the big strawberry in the center first, and now put all the other half strawberries at the side. Array them one after one next to each other until you get a beautiful star-shaped tartlet. Last but not the least, I will sprinkle some powdered sugar on top so that it will look like snowflake. Isn't that pretty? I hope you like it.